You search how to buy shares of Chanson International Holding, a publicly listed company with international operations listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CHSN. This video is educational and not financial advice. Always research and consider professional guidance before investing. To buy shares, you must use a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by providing an identity document, and then add funds to your account before placing an order. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker CHSN to find Chanson International Holding. Review the search results carefully to locate the correct NASDAQ listing for CHSN. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart that displays recent trading activity. Confirm the listing shows NASDAQ and the CHSN ticker to ensure you have the right asset. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button. Choose the amount you want to invest and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled to execute when trading reopens, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description below for the link to the platform used in this walkthrough.